Business as usual is obsolete, and that's a good thing. For over 20 years, I have led successful transformation for the world's largest companies. Start with the purpose, the business problem, and the people. Apply the tool, and then assess. That's the best way to gain true return on investment and begin to develop that agile, leaning in, flexible culture of people supported by AI and technology. The difference between those who succeed and those who are disrupted is mindset. And that's what's going to power us into a future where we as people can determine and discern how we utilize and what we utilize, whether that's shifting mindset, redesigning work practices, exploring and leveraging AI to solve real business challenges. In the last 5 years, society has transformed and digitalized faster than the last 100 years combined. Technology does not replace jobs. Technology changes our jobs, and that's a good thing. One of my clients, Bank of America, had a brilliant idea a couple of years ago and said, what if we explored using technology like AI? It's not just big global giants that can leverage AI for success. Gen Z, I believe, is a great opportunity for all organizations because they are native, out-of-the-box thinkers. And hurt somebody. This young man, Shantanu Naran, had just been promoted into his dream job as CEO of Adobe to enable creativity to empower people. How are we going to do that? How are we going to price it? How are we going to deliver it? And Shantanu's answer was, I don't know. But what I do know is I have a team around this table. Purpose, exploration, action, collaboration, and empowerment. And I will leave you with a framework. You can achieve true future readiness with P.E.A.C.E. My tools, framework, and techniques will inspire and equip people to move forward.
Winner, Best Technology Speaker,
Positive Impact,
Jennifer Vessels.
The actions you take tomorrow will determine where you are in another year, another decade. What is your purpose? Take it forward. Thank you.